Hey everyone, just a quickie. I wanted to just give you a fast rundown. Today's Sunday. I am going to do my Tuesday normal update, but I want to show you, what happens when you get behind. There is vines everywhere. I've just spent the last, probably an hour and a half or 2 hours. Just literally, I didn't cut this, I need to. Cutting leaves back, cutting vines back, getting things kind of trained. If it ain't buried at this point, it ain't getting buried. Because I just don't have the time. Like, look at all these vines that I whacked back, straightened out all these. This was like it was a jungle desperately needed done. The vines were overgrowing the walking boards. So I took out the walking boards, more vines, trimmed my walking path back, tons of vines right here. Got the cracked pumpkin taken off, cut off, and relocated the growing board to that last one that I have. There is some other pumpkins on these secondary, so I might have 2 or 3 more chances there. Got a sheet cover up the pumpkin, put down the dirt. I took a picture. I wish I could show you. Go to my Facebook page and you'll see a picture of all the roots that grew in this spot during just the 3 or 4 days that board was down. I found a couple of secondaries, trailing them back to fill in this spot. But all in all, I feel a lot better. I'm going to cover up the other 2 pumpkins with the sheets that I got in the mail today because I couldn't find my other ones. I have walking paths cleared. Today I was a little reinvigorated in my give a darn about losing leaves versus cutting up my darn legs walking through, because I'm a shorts and flip-flops kind of guy. And if you don't know, oh, here's one right here. Look at this. Look at this. I missed it. Gone. I'm a shorts and flip-flops kind of guy, and these pumpkin plants are gnarly, man. They'll tear you up. So that's good. Got my backup pumpkin, primary pumpkin, same thing over there. Same thing over here. Looking pretty good. If things were buried, I'd be extremely happy, but you know what? I'm really happy right now. Can't complain. So just wanted to give you that quickie, and we'll have a better one on Tuesday. This one's day 17. Let's say 17. So we'll get an official measure on that one. I just threw a tape around it. This might be the biggest day 20 I've ever had. It's like on pace to be a really big pumpkin on Go Figure, the plant that I did no vine burying on. Ain't that some you know what? Alright guys, I'm tired. Have a good one.